What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, I'm Jess. I'm from New Jersey, but this is completely different. We are in Vienna, Austria. So this is going to be a Vienna vlog. We have 2 nights here. We just got in. We couldn't even check into the hotel yet. We'll do that later, but we are going right to the sightseeing. Got a quick meal at Brenner by the hotel we're staying at. We're staying at Zoku. We are getting this going, so this is going to be fun. Later in the day now. First day has been very successful. It just went so smooth, all the sightseeing. The weather is shockingly warm, or maybe it's not shocking, I'm not familiar with the weather here, but 80 and sunny today, and it's almost October, so I was pretty surprised at how warm it was. But it was so nice, not a cloud in the sky, and we saw so much. We kind of just do a lot of walking by because we don't have too long here. So we just do a lot of like walk-bys, but I will have the names on the screen as I'm showing the attractions that we go to as we go to them for your reference. I'll also have things in the description box down below or a blog post. I'll see what I end up doing. We just checked into our hotel. We're staying at Zoku. It's by the Prater amusement park. Yeah, so far so good. It is day 2 in Vienna. We just had a really good breakfast at Das Eduard and service was very friendly, very good food. Now we're walking to the Schönbrunn Palace. We're going to tour that. There's a lot to see there. It's free to walk around the grounds and then you pay for different attractions within the palace grounds. Kind of make our way around, go to the Belvedere Palace. Probably not pronouncing a lot of this stuff right, but I'll try my best. Beautiful weather again today. Welcome to the Gloria. It's a little later in the evening now. We're gonna head over to the Prater amusement park, which is like a 2-minute walk from our hotel, which is awesome. I really like this hotel, the Zoku. I'll have all of this stuff linked in the description box, any attractions we're seeing, restaurants that we're eating at. So far the trip has been so well. I know it's not very chatty, a lot of showing, and hopefully you guys have all been enjoying it so far. Tomorrow is our last day here. We really just have the morning, and then we're heading off to Amsterdam, and that is gonna be a whole separate vlog. That should be exciting, so stay tuned for that. We're gonna check out the amusement park now.